So we're getting ready to go fishing. Thomas, he's ready.
Woo!
We're all ready. Yes, but we got our shoes on.
Yeah.
We got to take those off.
All right.
All right, let's go fishing. Beautiful day here in Costa Rica. I don't know what we're going to catch today, but we're going to try.
Hop in.
Yep. Climb right in. Whoa. You go first.
No.
Oh, okay.
This is great, isn't it?
You got it? Oh, okay. Come on, Thomas. You got a fish on? Okay.
Cool.
You know what it is?
What is it?
Sailfish.
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 You got a sailfish.
Woo!
Nice.
go.
We're waiting about 4.5 hours for this. We're getting the sailfish.
He's off.
Let's go.
Oh, he's off.
He's off.
Oh, he's on.
Damn it.
Dang it.
Dang it. See, he just couldn't commit. He couldn't commit.
We'll get him again.
Non-committal fish.
We'll get him again.
We'll get them again though, right? We'll get them again. They're out here. They're out here. Dadgummit. Let's
That
go back
happens.
inside the air conditioner.
All right.
Did it hit and then
No, it came on the teaser bait
okay.
and we missed it. Got it.
Yeah? Nice.
Is that a good sign that we have some fish coming? Maybe. We have competition over there. Hey, get out of our water. We got birds.
Yeah. Can you eat them?
No. We got chicken for dinner.
Do we have wings? You got some Texas pea?
Hey, I heard you guys taste like chicken. Look at the
They
followers.
are following.
You got some followers out
There,
here.
you know, this is with a conspiracy theory. Birds aren't real. Yeah, these are drones. Totally.
Hey, maybe these are the drones we were looking
Wave
for.
at Masad.
CIA.
Can I get a mic check on the third bird, please? I don't think your audio's coming in. Can we get a mic check on you, sir? Your audio's a little weak.
There it is. Oh, shoot. Do you see dolphins? Right in front.
All right, in front. We got dolphins now.
Okay.
We got a lot of activity on the ocean right now. We need some fish. I think
we're getting close.
we're getting close too.
Most people don't look forward to their annual physical because they're nervous what the doctor might find. That's why what you do before the appointment matters. So before your next checkup, make the one health change your doctor should notice or your money back. Make it Field of Greens. Doctors today look beyond your calendar age. They look at biological age, how healthy your cells and vital organs are. Field of Greens was designed with that in mind. Each fruit and vegetable is doctor selected to support your cells, heart, lungs, kidneys, and healthy weight. In fact, a university study found that participants who only added Field of Greens saw measurable improvements in key health markers. Just one change changed everything. That's why Field of Greens promises your doctor will notice your improved health or your money back. Go into your next physical confident. One scoop, once a day, done. Make Field of Greens your one smart change this year. Check out the university study and get 20% off at fieldofgreens.com, promo code MTG. 20% off. That's fieldofgreens.com, promo code MTG.
Oh, get Massie out there. Sailfish. Sailfish on. Thomas on. There you go. Oh, God. Oh, yeah, it's jumping too.
You got two of them?
Come on, Mr. Massie.
Okay, relax.
Relax. It's okay.
Get that line hot. Whoa!
Yeah, look at that bird out.
Not really.
Oh, okay.
Let me get out of the way.
Nice one. Big sailfish.
Real big deal.
That's it.
Wow.
Yeah, that's a great fish.
Shuts out.
Find your way.
Boy, you just never know when it's going to happen. Do you? Really never. No idea when it's going to happen.
Tell me what to do.
You're good. You're doing good.
Keep reeling. Really. Get down. Come up.
He went down.
Yeah, you went way down. You're doing great.
Very good, senor.
It's about as tough as getting something done in Washington. Just got to keep fighting, keep reeling. Woo!
Oh boy.
Come up and jump.
Yeah, he's gonna jump. Go, Thomas. See him yet?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, here he comes. Here he comes.
video. Get in there. You got it? There you go.
Yeah.
Hola! Woo!
That was awesome. Hey, way to go. Yay!
Yeah!
Good job. Good job, guys. Way to go.
That was good.
Great work. That was giant.
80 pounds? 80 pounds? You can tell right now. How you feel? Good.
Yeah.
That was about 5 minutes, a good fight.
You,
5-minute fight.
you had him on the hook for 8 hours. You finally just let us catch him.
Yeah, he was out.
That was great.
Wow.
You troll the ocean for 4 hours and you never know when you might get it. You're the one that said, let's just go a little bit further.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
You never know.
Oh,
That's why they call it fishing. They don't call it catching.
that was great.
That one didn't get away, unlike my election.
Well, you know.
We reeled that one in.
Yeah. Hey, there could be another one.
Yeah.
Awesome.
That was great.
That was great.